Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest in product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have something truly special for all the cat lovers out there: the Olipiter Handheld Cat Massager, an electric massager that's perfect for both humans and pets. Dubbed as the best cat electric massager, this product is a game-changer for anyone looking to pamper their furry friend or themselves. The Olipiter Handheld Cat Massager comes with 4 soft silicone massage heads, each equipped with 96 massage nodes designed to soothe tense muscles, promote relaxation, and ease joint stiffness. Whether you're using it for yourself or your pet, this massager helps relieve discomfort, boost mobility, and even delay the onset of age-related arthritis. It's perfect for anyone who's looking to unwind after a long day or to provide comfort to their beloved pet. What makes this massager stand out is its versatile functionality. You can choose from 3 different speeds, low, high, or an alternating setting, so you can adjust the intensity based on your needs. It's also designed to be gentle, with its soft, food-grade silicone head preventing any hair pulling or tangling, ensuring a smooth and soothing experience every time. The massager is also waterproof with an IPX6 rating, which means you can safely use it in the shower. The removable heads make cleaning incredibly easy, so you don't have to worry about keeping it hygienic after each use. Plus, the massager is USB rechargeable, so it's both environmentally friendly and convenient for on-the-go use. A full charge gives you up to a week of usage, and it automatically turns off after 15 minutes to ensure safety. What's even better is the massager's ability to promote bonding with your pet. The soft, kneading action mimics human fingers, providing a calming, therapeutic experience for both you and your cat or dog. This makes it not only a great tool for relaxation but also a wonderful way to spend quality time with your furry companions. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift for your pet or a perfect way to relieve stress for yourself, the Olipiter Handheld Cat Massager is an ideal choice. It combines functionality, comfort, and safety in one compact device. Whether you're a cat lover, a pet owner, or just someone who enjoys a good massage, this product is sure to become a favorite in your routine. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're interested in this product, make sure to check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product updates. See you next time.